What's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title of this video, the couple of next vlogs are gonna be from our Vietnam trip. Right now we are at
Bangkok.
Thailand.
With zero sleep.
Zero sleep, so that's why we look like this.
How good
So the reason I am talking in English a lot is because these travel vlogs are gonna be in English, Hindi, but most of it is gonna be in English because we want to make these
Make
vlogs
it to a
for a
wider
broader audience.
Yeah.
So hetu karone, and we already did the part where we got out of our home, booked cabs, went to our airport, kitai khalu. So we will show everything, and plus really excited because we have a lot of things planned for our Vietnam trip.
I did the itinerary, by the way. So after all the vlogs are done, you guys have to tell me how. No? How was it?
Yeah, so we are going to a lot of exciting places, a lot of amazing places. So definitely watch till the end of the video and the other videos that are gonna come here as well. So like, subscribe if you're new here, comment below if you
Very
already subscribed.
excited for our first international trip together.
Vietnam, let's go. We are waiting at the airport. We reached the airport. একো পাহৰা নাই, পেন ড্ৰাইভ আৰু সেয়া পাহৰিছোঁ, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট বস্তু পাহৰা নাই। কি পাহৰিছোঁ ক?
Sure.
নট ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট।
It is important. তুমি যে ঠাণ্ডা লাগিব মোৰ পৰা প্লিজ নুখুজিবি।
ঠিক আছে, তাৰপিছত
চামুচ এণ্ড এয়া।
তই আনিছ চামুচ?
নাই।
তেনেহ'লে হাও হেভ আই অনলি ফৰগটেন? তইও পাহৰিছ।
মইতো চব চিনি দি খাব পাৰোঁ। তই গোটেই
ভিয়েটনামত চামুচ নাপায়, পাব পাৰোঁ, চাওঁ কি হয়। And also I forgot one of my pen drive which had movies and series I needed. Main বস্তুটো pen drive because bore হৈ যাম নহ'লে। So hey, now we are at the airport. So, we checked in our have not checked in our luggage. We scanned our luggage. We're gonna go do some video things. Both time as India is like 3 more hours to go, so we have to do the immigration and all that. So we're gonna do that as well. So Arnakshi is gonna do some video things with her phone. We're gonna do that, then we are gonna go for it. And actually luggage over limit hoye gol, so I won't be able to put my luggage into check-in because otherwise we have to pay 11,000. So moi etu dangi loi jabo lagibo.
It's a lot.
Yeah, I can't pay. It was 4-5,000 we would have done it, but 11,000 is a lot, so won't be doing it. I'll have to carry that to Vietnam and you have to help me.
I will.
We are done with everything. Immigration, customs, checking, everything. Now we are waiting. We'll have to wait for 1.5-2 hours. I'll try to eat something before that. Also, our flight food dia ase, so I will show you guys ki tate ki dia international air Asian flight. Duita flight ase, so that will be nice. Dish chotu roll for 340. And Maggie was 400, so I got a roll.
More asoid peso. 400 for that stupid Maggie.
This is the one.
It's
Not
tasty
bad.
into.
And tasty hetu to bolo.
More iman tasty hobo boli bhaba nasila.
So we boarded the flight. We had a middle seat and a right seat, and this nice gentleman gave us the Arnakshi her window seat, his window seat. And we're gonna go now, and we're gonna also show you guys what we're gonna eat. We ordered some really nice things.
Yes.
We got our pre-booked meal, which we ordered in our tickets. Ooh, this is Arnakshi
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai with
Egg
egg
wrap.
wrap.
Wow.
Also shrimp. Sorry, not shrimp, prawns on
This
top.
was around
300 rupees.
350, yeah, 300.
Big size prawns. I'll open mine also after some time. And this is my nasi lemak. Egg.
This is like dry fish.
We got peanuts and some rice. Should be very tasty. Tasted our food. It is very good. Tasted Arnakshi's Pad Thai as well.
Yeah.
Also very good. Didn't expect flight food to be so good though. It's actually
Never
really
had.
good.
such good.
I tried the prawn also. Prawns were also very nice. I'm yet to try the dry fish, but these things are very nice. Definitely worth the money you spent. So Arnakshi has managed to make her own picnic 300 feet up into the air.
I ordered coffee.
She ordered some iced coffee, something,
Yeah.
and also some chicken skin snack,
This one we'll have later.
Thai snack. Plus these food are obviously very good already. So I'm at Dibor Garden, I'm okay. So we got our drink, which is very very nice by the way.
Very good.
It's actually very good. We are tasty. यार खाना भी बहुत ভাল কিন্তু ना.
Thailand.
Actually very good. We'll try this one later. But yeah, almost finished.
This is chicken
মোৰ নিজৰটো
split.
একে হৈ গ'ল. This one will finish, then we'll go to sleep. Again, we have to transfer from Bangkok airport to Vietnam airport. So, yep, customs and immigration and all that. Came all the way from across there. We'll just show you guys the Thai airport a bit. One of the Thai airports. This is the Dongyong airport, not the Swarnabhumi. No, I don't know. This one is pretty big. Bahut dangor. Oh. So right now not much people because it's around 3:30 or something here. 3:40 something like that. Indian time at around 2 o'clock. We're gonna wait here for a while at Thailand airport. Still 2.5 hours to go, so we can take some nap for an hour or so. Reached Vietnam! Yay! Let's go! Bumpy! Yay! Vietnam! So we got our luggage, and Arnakshi is literally has the biggest of all the luggage bags I have seen. Yate karu iman dangor ma bag dekha nai. Iman mosto bag okol Arnakshi re. It crossed over 18 kgs, almost 20 kg amar limit asle. Tai to 18 kg hoy gise. So I had to carry my bag all over the place. মানে মই এইবিলাক বেগ দেখাব পাৰোঁ মানুহৰ কাৰো ইমান ডাঙৰ বেগ নাই. Look at Arnakshi's bag. Unfortunately, our cab driver is running away with our luggage. ইমান সোনকালে কিয় গৈ আছে মই বুজি পোৱা নাই. বল জলদি বল তাৰ পিছে পিছে. Why is he running away? He's actually running. Oh, পাই গ'লো. Le Parfum. It's on. This one.
Okay, sir.
You check direction.
Okay. Yes, sir.
47 minutes.
Okay.
So we took a cab. তাৰপিছত বহুত দূৰ আমি আহি reached the place. We reached our hotel. It's called La Parfum. La Perfume, whatever you want to call it. We pay about 300, not 300 actually, 3 lakh dong dibo laga hol. We had to give 3 lakh dong. And the place is very nice. Lots of street food over there. I didn't click the videos right now, but we're gonna go there. No, Hatike Zamami. But right now, let's go to the cafe. Our hotel. So checked into our hotel. It's a really cute place. You can sit here and eat. Then there's this little koi fish pond inside the hotel. So nice. Reached. Open the door, please.
It's the elevator directly amar.
Oh, directly elevator to our room. Yes, it was not opening, but right now it opened. Ooh. Nice.
Our apartment ka.
Glass.
Kiba hore etu?
Oh. Nice. Nice bathroom. There's a small kitchen thing. You can cook here. There's basin. There's a freezer here. Place to work. Order food. TV. Bed. Are you excited for the spa?
Yes, very much. Moi korchu na mo.
তাই ভিয়েটনামৰ ট্ৰিপ সেইকাৰণেই কৰিছে for spa and massage.
Yes.
Should be nice. ওলালো আমি. Yeah, this is our street right now. ওলালো with a chhata. We're gonna go for the spa, but first I think we're gonna try some street food.
Tomorrow.
মইতো চপষ্টিকেদি খাব নোৱাৰোঁ তাকেতো মই কি কৰোঁ ভাবি আছোঁ এই কেম প্লে
Right outside our
street, but we don't know how to eat.
Yeah, and they just directly gave us no menu, nothing.
Lots of nimbu. I don't know how. Can I copy? Can I do it? Buji bot.
Costa is having now. They chopped the KSL noodles. So we can have
This is spicy.
spicy.
That's spicy.
No. Upon dilute code, please dilute it, or else I won't be able to have that.
Honestly, no spicy. Too spicy.
Me too, बहुत किनी दिसे.
This is chicken and pork.
Chicken and pork, yeah. সিহঁতে কিন্তু ইয়াতে নকয় ডাইৰেক্টলি দি দিয়ে they don't there's no menu here so you just come and sit and they'll directly give it to you they just serve one dish only I think so we don't know can't communicate nicely yeah
Tingadu bhaiya khai birat bhal lagise it's like
So
so
light.
fresh so light
first ভাবিলো কি দিলে খাব মাৰিম চাগে
খাব কেনেকৈ খাম এইবিলাক কি ঘাঁহ চুচ দি দিছে কিন্তু খাবলৈ বঢ়িয়া Where we ate, that was amazing.
so good
বহুত ভাল আছিলে it was really good অকল 40,000 dong which should be like কিমান 40,000 1,000 dong কেনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে 40,000 dong is like very less. I'll put it in the blog how much it is in Indian rupees, but it's very less and it was very good.
let me see the
Crossed some really nice streets over there, like a lot of street food and all. Spa, nail, এইখিনি nail and spa, but আগৰ ইফালে বহুত food and all আছিলে. One thing I have noticed, there are a lot of trees on every street, which is very nice. Helps with the heat, so you don't feel humid as much. এইগুলো আমি এইটো হয় প্ৰাইচ লিষ্টটো এইটো হয় সময়খিনিত টাইম 60 minutes 90 minutes আৰু we took this one it's 3
we
full body massage with hot stone nourishing shampoo
now I'm converting
herbal soap 590 2,000 rupees for
you
this
get everything
which is so good.
oh my god
So we are done with our amazing spa.
my god Costa to phone kuse moyo
মইতো শুই গৈছো
মই শুও হা
we did it at ILY spa nail
I love you
spa nail hair wash তো
মই শুই যাওঁ তাৰপিছত কি হয় কি আকৌ কিবা কৰে আকৌ মই উঠি যাওঁ আকৌ শুই যাওঁ এনেকুৱা হয়
মইতো শুয়ে গৈছো আধাতকৈ বেছি সময়খিনি let me give you guys a quick price breakdown of how good it is. By the way, I have very red eyes right now. We did full body massage,
hot
Like-
stone
of course,
Hot
full body massage with oiling and everything. Hot stone along with they put hot stone on you. তাৰপিছত shampoo, তাৰপিছত face mask,
massage
তাৰপিছত massage, head massage তো আছেই along with the shampoo and all. তাৰপিছত আৰু কি আছিলে facial, তাৰপিছত stretching of the body also, like they stretch all your hands and legs and stuff.
then they give you foot socks warm foot socks
warm foot socks.
he forgot
I
half the time
I was asleep half the time.
and they give you a warm potly sort of a thing which you have to keep it in the stomach
On your stomach, yeah.
On your stomach.
তাৰপিছত I was asleep half the time because it was so good. Also, I have not slept like since yesterday properly. It was a total of 1,900 something. You can say 2,000 rupees. So for example, if you do these things in Guwahati যদি খিনি গোটেইখিনি কৰিব লাগে তেনেহ'লে I would say around 7,000 to 8,000 পৰিব. Shampoo and facial and stretching and everything 7,000
Hot stone
8,000.
you don't get, you
Yeah,
hardly get
yeah.
hot stone.
Guwahati no tate hot stone na. In India, if you do in any proper place, it will cost you around 8,000,
And they don't have the water dome also.
6,000, 8,000.
The water dome, no?
Jitu
It's
amak
not
disile
there
mathat na.
it's not there in Guwahati, or mostly in India it's not there actually.
We couldn't take any videos obviously because massage parlor
Yeah.
video you can't take any videos and
It
all.
was so
And we are all
nice.
just enjoying and sleeping. So anyways, let's go. We're gonna explore Hanoi more.
I want to have dessert
Dessert,
now.
so yeah, let's
I
go.
really want to have dessert now.
Then I'm gonna go home and sleep. Also, these are the small stools and tables you have to sit and play. Both karo. You can see them enjoying. This was the street. বহুত জাগা আছে এইবিলাকত বহি বহি খাবৰ কাৰণে মজা কিন্তু আৰু বিৰাট চাফা বাই দ্য ৱে I have not mentioned it but it's so clean. Every street, every place is so clean. Came to a nice park thing. There's like a little river lake. I don't know exactly here. There's probably the entry there. We are not sure if we're gonna entry or not. But we're gonna sit here and eat some fruits. How is the drink? Do you like it?
It's not good, it's not bad.
It's not good, not bad.
Need the imli more actually.
দিব কোন হলে তাই more টেঙা
No.
This is Arnakshi's favorite car in Vietnam. Small, compact,
And so cute.
pink color, just the way she likes.
Yes.
আমি এটা কেফেত আহিলোঁ. It's called Egg Yolk. খোজকাঢ়ি আহিব লাগে হ'ল. You can sit on top as well. There's some space outside. This was rated nice in Google, so we just came here. And we're gonna try. Try it. Come get it. Try the coffee first, no?
Okay.
How is it? Egg coffee, by the way, guys.
Wow.
Made from egg.
It's so creamy.
Creamy.
It has cinnamon. কেনেকুৱা?
Very light.
Very light. তো
কি
কফিটো
cheesecake হয় এইটো?
তো কফিটো খাইছাচোন
কি
এবাৰ
cheesecake হয় এইটো?
এইটো বাস্ক চীজ কেক নে কিবা এনেকুৱা কয়
Very light.
ক্ৰিমি হয় ন
Very creamy, very light.
It have this no
Okay, let me try the coffee. It's a বেলেগ type দেখোন. Creamy,
It has
very
cinnamon.
light on top. And at the bottom, very light. Cinnamon taste এটা আহিছে. Very strong. এটা খাব আৰু টোপনি নাহিব.
তই নাখাবি
And plus there's a bits of ice as well, so it's like cold from the bottom.
And on top it's very creamy,
Creamy,
like
very
a
nice.
dessert.
Yeah.
Like a dessert. আমাৰ পুৰা একদম সেয়াটো ভাল হৈছে ন কম্বোটো
By the way, the coffee and the cheesecake both were around 400 rupees, 390 rupees over here. 1,20,000 dong would be like 390 rupees.
coffee was how much?
We entered a Vietnamese gift shop. बहुत वस्तु আছে, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff. Bags and bags and bags and bags and bags, more bags. It cups and gifts basically. We explored for a bit. Lot more to explore. So many shops, so many places. So again we'll come by at night.
Yeah.
Right now we have to head back to our rooms because we are very tired.
I am not tired anymore.
Get some rest. So tuponi marili to divide kod lagibo. Moi tuponi sobari marana.
Get
We came back. It's evening now and you guys can see how clean this place is. This is the place where we ate. Yate ami bohi bohi khaisilo. Ekhinte asile dukan tinikhon. All closed. So organized and everything is fully clean.
Suddenly Kaustav saw
We came back to our hotel and we saw this really nice grand piano. I stopped doing any kind of music. But Tiger song, it's really
Smooth.
Just now the funniest thing happened. আমি নিজকে আমার ঘৰৰ বাহিৰত লক কৰি দিছিলোঁ. We were about to go out. We were filming. Someone দৰ্জা বন্ধ কৰি we had to go to the reception again and call them.
Sweet. She was very
তাৰপিছত আকৌ আহি
sweet.
পেলাই সিহঁতে খুলি দিছে. So
Yeah.
it's fine, I guess. Now we have to go and try some restaurants. Let's go. Excited, ne?
Go.
Excited, ne?
Yes, very much excited.
That is the Hanoi train station. Looks pretty big from the outside, obviously. We're gonna book a cab and go to a nice street food place. So we wanted to try lots of nice street food, so we're gonna go there. So we came to one of the streets, Thai streets. Lots of people, lots of cafes, foreigners, lovely food. So right now we're gonna go to Circle K. It's like a 7-Eleven kind of a departmental store. Both khana pai hai. 7-Eleven is not there in Vietnam. So it's like a different version of 7-Eleven. So we might see and check Kiki Pai. We're thinking of what to eat from Circle K. Lots of things here. Lots and lots and lots and lots. We got a few green tea flavored Kit Kats, some cake, some chips. Looks very nice.
This one.
So we bought a chicken leg. And also we bought all the other things.
Like it will be a bit sweet.
Sweet type only. Oh,
Most of the things are sweet only, no?
Oh. Got this spicy hot dog thing. And the guy also clicked a picture with Anakshi photo lesse. This will be like around 70 rupees in Indian. It looks very juicy. কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? I like it. ভাল লাগিছে, অলপ স্পাইচি স্পাইচি কৰি দিছে, ভাল লাগিছে।
অলপ sweetness আছে। One, yes. Two. Okay.
So yeah, we got this sweet donut thing. আমাক 6টা মান দিছে for 80,000. Different flavors. You get different flavors with each of them. I tried one. Both bisi meetha. Muk brown to try korana. Let me try the brown one.
Different.
Both meetha. Trying another one.
This one?
Same hai to.
Same, because that one is gur.
It is a kom meetha. I suppose. Kom
So
meetha.
it's different.
So we came to another street. As you guys can see, the street is closed today for a ceremony. No vehicles, people can come and enjoy. There's some sort of a ceremony going on, Buddha ritual something.
Yeah. Buddha relic.
Relics, yeah, sorry, Buddha not ritual, relics. There's some dragons and stuff. So let's check it out. So the people here are offering prayers, taking videos. Everybody is running after the Buddha relic thing. Oh, there's more things coming. Wow. you guys can see, everybody is running towards the opposite direction because that's where the procession is going, ceremony, I should say. So many beautiful decorations. আহি গ'লো আমি এতিয়া অলপ ইফালে, just checking out some stalls, and we came to a street which is a street food street basically. Lots of people, lots of shops, lots of cars. Should be fun, should be nice. This looks like a very cute and nice cafe. যাবি নেকি? Okay, ঠিক আছে, ৰাস্তাত আমি বিচাৰিব লাগিব। So এটা জায়গাত বহিলো, we sat down at the spot. Looks very nice, a nice intersection with lots of street food places, juices, etc. other shops. And now she's going to the menu. কি খাবি?
We have Thai hot pot. আমি hot pot খোৱা নাই।
Thai hot pot. Okay.
Do you want to have?
This is like one side of the menu. Prices are actually very cheap, by the way. Like 80,000 is like cheap, very cheap.
There is a lot of things.
And a lot of things. বহুত বস্তু আছে। Oh, chicken pho আছে। Chicken pho খাব লাগিব।
Right in the middle of the street. No.
Chicken pho খাব লাগিব দেই। Only 100K. আজি নহয় পিছত। So basically, guys, pause it if you want to check it out, the prices and what are the things that are there. Plus also, this is the other side of the menu where you get a grill and hot pot. We ordered a hot pot. We ordered a Thai hot pot. Chicken, pork and seafood mixed. It's gonna be a big, enough for 2 people, he said.
I'll try this one.
Yes, sir. Also, you get like beers and stuff, but we are not gonna drink. So, or
Frog is also there.
we'll meet. Yeah, frog hot pot, chicken hot pot, seafood hot pot, Thai hot pot, whatever you want. So, was a big menu. And actually, he's trying the chicken leg from the.
With this
Oh, ma, বহুত ডাঙৰ দেখোন. From that 7-Eleven dupe. কি নাম আছিলে?
circle way. Yeah, no.
ভাল ন? Chicken leg tasted very nice.
Flavors are mild.
Flavors are very good. Not too much, not too less. Very neutral. Also a very big piece, by the way. Very big piece. বহুত ডাঙৰ. Our hot pot is here. Seafood plus chicken and pork. Lots of prawns, lots of octopus, squid. I see some chicken on that side, some pork, some noodles at the bottom, lots of veggies. And this is where we have to cook it ourselves, obviously, because it's hot pot. So you have to cook it yourself and eat.
I am a good
Let's go, Arnakshi. Hot pot you wanted.
But it's new now.
I don't know if it's visible on the camera or not. You know, bahut is like bahut. He said 2%. I think 3 or 4% can easily have this. Like it's a lot of food. Lot of food. It should be pork.
This one.
Yeah,
I think it's chicken, no?
maybe. Alman veggies did it. It's a jaga ulai dabo. Then you can put the noodles from the bottom. But no, let me help you actually. So I come for this.
The hati di nibi niki. বহুত দিছে রে।
বহুত বেশি দিছে। তোমার tofu আছে। Prawns are done. Noodles are still getting cooked. I'll get some mushrooms and some veggies things. This is my first bowl of hot pot. There's a bit of noodles, prawns at the bottom, some mushrooms, some chicken, and talalap soup. Yeah, you should take some soup.
This is how our table looks like. Pura veggies and everything.
I'll take some squid.
Oh yeah. Squid is done, no? I think.
I think so.
They gave tofu also. So
Tofu, octopus.
yeah, a lot of leafy vegetables.
Tofu बहुत अच्छा किंतु.
Tofu, yeah. Akon silken tofu hoy to mane very
Soft.
soft and squishy.
Take some octopus. Or is this squid? I think it's octopus.
What is this?
Chicken.
Oh. Take some veggies also.
Our noodles can you cook goal? Cooked noodles is not.
This is cooked noodles only.
No, I don't want it. Mushroom.
I am a bit scared because it's completely full and this table is slanted. So it's slanted in his direction.
Mushroom do.
Oh, mushroom. I like the mushroom actually. This
What?
one. Oh. How's it?
It's like
Chewy.
chewy octopus type.
You're not supposed to have the head or what?
I don't know how.
I never had, so that's why. Aru kiki loiso rar? Oh, tentacles.
My second bowl of hot pot. Squid, aru, octopus to khalu. You guys saw. I'm just gonna take a bit of
What is this?
chili sauce and a bit of soy sauce as well for some saltiness. Now it should taste really good. So we are done eating. Almost finished it.
We did finish a lot. I didn't think we
Oh yeah, মই ভাবা নাছিলোঁ ইমান খাই দিব পাৰিম কিন্তু খালোৱে গোটেইখিনি অলপ ভেজিজ এৰিলোঁ কাৰণ অৱশ্যে ইমানটো আৰু চব্জি খাই থাকিব নোৱাৰো উপায় নাই বাকী স্কুইড অক্টোপাছ নুডলছ উই অল ফিনিছড টফু অলপমান থাকি গ'ল বাট ইয়া ইট ৱাজ ভেৰি নাইচ ইট ৱাজ ভেৰি নাইচ ভেৰি ফ্ৰেছ
very fresh, very light.
We came out of that street. It was way too much for us. बहुत बेसी माती आছিলে আমাক. So
Everybody calls Saru.
yeah, everybody calls, come, sit, have a drink, do this, do that, beer, food, girls, etc., etc., all that. But yeah, we have to go. We came out because it was too much, and also we don't have time. We've been walking for some time. Same things, Hanoi city. Oh, there's some cute dogs. Moram laga. We are thinking of going to the Hanoi tour bus.
Let's see if we can.
Yeah, not sure if it's still there or not because aji hey Buddha ritual to asile, so it might be closed today.
Finally, after looking for all the Google Maps, we found the Hanoi city bus tour.
I didn't finish yet.
So it's late at night right now. We finally found, it's 9:38. So we finally found the bus where we have to go for the city tour, and we are going to take a late night city tour. So it's just going to get us around the city maybe. I don't know how it works, and I don't even know the price of this, but with
300 for two.
oh 300 for two. Oh. That means 3 lakh maybe.
Oh.
So that's I want to sit at the top. No, Babu? Ase, ase.
Guys, we tried to click a few pictures with the straw hat. কিন্তু একদম বেয়া লাগিছে মোক দেখিবলৈ, so not gonna click. We are on the bus, by the way.
Oh my god,
আমি উঠাখিনি একো নললোৱে।
Kaustubh is so
উঠাখিনি
frustrated.
একো নললোৱে আমি
Oh.
all over, but yeah, we got on the bus. I'll put some clips, real
Yeah. A lot
shorts
of
wala
people
clips.
came now.
Yeah. So yep, we are on the bus. We are on our way, and Anakshi has opened up a nice little dessert. Mr. Chef's cheesecake. It looks very nice, very cute. Also, we are here wearing headphones, and they are narrating us what's happening, where we are going, which is what. So that's what happens. Then now for the cake. Kenapa?
It's a sponge cheesecake.
Chị ơi, mình nó đưa lên đây uống cà phê buổi sáng này. Hôm trước chị đưa đi uống cái nhà kia luôn.
That's one of the tower things. Hanoi. ঘূৰি আছো গোটেই Hanoi ঘূৰি গৈছো। This is the President Ho Chi Minh read the Declaration of Independence, something here. This one more government building here. Looks very nice. Oh, this is the new National Assembly House. French palace and some Indo-China relation palace, something like that. ঘূৰি আছো, still roaming around. We saw a lot of places, a lot of nice places. I was not able to film all of them, but this looks also cool. Loji Tower, nice entrance and all that. The ceremony that was taking place, all those people came here, I guess. Very tired. We are gonna book a cab and go home.
I just want to
Today
go
was
now.
very nice actually. First day of
Yeah.
Vietnam tour. Tomorrow very exciting day because tomorrow we are going on a cruise. So stick around for that vlog as well.
We traveled the whole city only.
Oh, we traveled the whole city in the bus tour thing. So now we are gonna go home. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching till the end.
Thank you.
Today's the next morning and it's gonna be a different vlog. But if you stay till the end, drop a like, subscribe, and next one is gonna be very special. So have a look out for that. Bye.